Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to another video. So today, I kind of always wanted to do this, rent a boat. So it's always fun on Sunday when everybody else is packing up and you're not.
You went on a boat?
Full-time RV problems. So we're walking down to the boat dock. The rest of our family actually got the boat and we're gonna go hop on it. So Mom's back there carrying stuff.
Yeah.
So I got the Carly butt. She's been grumpy this morning, so we'll see. But
It'll be a fun day. It'll be a long day.
yeah, so head to the boat. Okay, so after a short, like 5-minute walk from our campsite, we got right down to the campground beach. Well, not beach, the launch, the boat launch. So, and the boat's out here, so let's hop on. You good, Mom?
Yeah, I'm good.
So, and we got to the end of the dock. Mom's not so sure about the bouncing. The dock's moving all over the place, but it's really not rough out here either. But we're, our campsite was right over there. Right over, yeah, you see Grandma?
That was a huge fish.
So we're gonna walk out here and get on the boat. It is an absolutely beautiful day today.
Yeah.
It's like high 70s, low 80s. Look at all the people out on the water right now, man. Uh oh, Justin's gonna ram the dock.
That's all right, just hold on. Yeah, he did good. Hop on, hurry.
Hop on before we, boom!
There you go.
Impact.
Go. Yep.
Here, Carly's.
Hello. How are you, Miss Carly?
It's a nice boat.
Hey, Carly.
She's not having it today.
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah, you need to leave that on.
This boat's slow, apparently. I don't think it's that slow. Not that slow. It ain't that slow. It's a pontoon boat.
I'm just trying to touch I cannot get rid of the
It's a pontoon boat. It's supposed to be slow.
That looks like Dustin all over it.
All right, well, we hopped off the boat here for a minute and had to take a bathroom break. And check out this little building area they've got here. It's super nice. They've got all their docks down here. You can rent some of them, but they've also got a little restaurant here, which is kind of cool. It's super bright outside. Goodness. I don't know what's inside there.
A store and a check.
I guess they have a little gift shop too. Yeah. We're gonna take a look real quick. Oh, nice. They actually have a marina shop in here, like a boat shop. And a little part of the restaurants in here and stuff like that, but all sorts of stuff here. They've got the little floating carpets, the skis. Look at this, wakeboards. Holy crap. They got a ton of stuff in here. Anchors, flip-flops, baby. Fishing bait. Ice is a little expensive. Life jackets, t-shirts, man. Got all sorts of stuff. I think got tubes. And lines. Cool. And we'll walk over here. Check it out. They've got the lakeside grill. But yeah, that's kind of cool in there. They got all sorts of stuff in there. And then they've also got the boat rental counter. And then you come down to the docks down here and is where you pick up your boat. But like I said, we picked up at the campground when they got the boat over here. But yeah, head back to the boat after a little bathroom break. Probably gonna get some lunch there later too, so we'll see. But that's fun. Renting a boat's fun. We'll see if this ends up being funny or not, but Justin's rolling the mat out. Here goes this. Here goes the Twinkie roll.
Twinkie?
I mean, it's still pretty much a roll. Look at that boat. That sounds mean.
Here, Chase, let me see it. Try some.
Just chucked him off. Look at how many freaking boats are. This is the swim area. Look at this. Look at the nut.
Wow. I liked it.
Good job.
There is boats everywhere.
Water
We got parked again. We had to move a little bit because we were dragging, but look at these freaking boats. That's a lot of money over there. Some of them look really cool. We got the water carpet out. So Carly wants to go. We're gonna try to go. We're still, the anchor that they provided with this boat is essentially useless, but we're just floating right now, but look at this carpet. I think it needs to be like twice as wide. It's not nearly wide enough, but I also think it's designed for kids. I doubt it.
I think it's the same. It's really only for kids.
I gotta say, the water carpet, it creates a pool, basically, not really a surface to stand on for adults.
No.
Hey, Carly.
Okay.
Carly, you having fun with Nona?
Yes, she is.
Look at her.
Debating if he's having fun.
Look at Carly's.
Yeah, it's not. They told me it was adult water.
It just creates a pool.
Yeah, it's not really adult water.
We gotta stay away from each other.
Oh.
Ooh, now with those clouds.
Carly,
Say hi.
smile. Smile.
Watch Colton. It doesn't bother me.
Don't reel now.
We're fishing as well. Carly's been enjoying the water carpet a lot. Carly, you like it? Splash, splash.
Splash.
Oh, that's a smallmouth bass.
Got a fish.
I got a bass!
Got a fish. That was loud.
I got a bass!
Put it back in the water.
Carly, you see the fishy?
How?
Oh, well, looks like the rain's coming. Some nasty looking clouds, but
Hey, you can't have all those chippies.
we're getting this carpet rolled in, which doesn't seem really that easy, but we're gonna go get something to
Baby
eat.
Nona's getting into the chips. No.
Carly is eating like an entire thing of chips and half a bag of blueberries, and
Now she's having her cousin's bottle.
Carly's. All right, got the boat returned. Now we're gonna go up here to the little restaurant and get something to eat. You didn't get that burnt. You look, yeah. Carly. Hey, Carly Boo. Hello, babies. Yeah. These are all lease docks. These are people's boats. They pay for like the season. They pay, I think, I don't know if it's a monthly rate or just a seasonal rate, but they get to keep the boats here. So that's kind of cool. Look at that little pontoon boat. Look at this little dude. Carly.
What's this? Oh, this is cheese.
Carly,
It's
you got,
almost like Chick-fil-A sandwich.
you got pizzas? We ended up getting a whole bunch of pizza. Look at this one.
Here, baby.
Barbecue chicken.
Be careful.
No, it's chicken bacon ranch. That's what it is.
It's kind of hard.
All right, well, that was fun. We got back to the campsite after the boat and everything. Shout out to my mom for renting the boat. That was fun. Having everyone just enjoy the boat. We enjoyed the water, the little carpet and stuff. It was fun. But yeah, we are back at the campsite. We're gonna relax tonight. And I think I'm gonna pick this back up tomorrow. But we will see you guys in the morning where we left off. But gonna head inside and relax now.